It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with day 8 in Santee. And while the guys are spreading monkey hair mulch up on the slope, Hannah and I thought we would do a dedicated install for y'all. This is such a tired, neglected, energetically depleted corner of the garden. The irrigation's dead, as we've discussed in here. And yet I feel like there's just so much potential to bring some really, really positive energy into here. I had originally thought I would do a tapestry, but when I learned that the irrigation was dead and we couldn't salvage it, I thought, okay, xeriscape. Xeriscapes are a little more challenging aesthetically than a tapestry. Tapestries are kind of easy. It's like the difference between maybe paint by numbers versus blank canvas. But then again, it is doable, and I thought it would be really helpful for y'all to see how we do this step by step. So we are getting ready to start our xeriscape, and step 1 is to establish the bones. So we were taking into consideration and consulting about this whole area in here and where the installation is going to be appreciated the most, what view is most important. And so the clients will be spending time behind Hannah in the jacuzzi. They will also be spending time up under the covered pergola. So this is where, you know, basically the direction you guys are looking at it right now is where it's going to be most appreciated.
Go a little deeper.
Yeah, go deep, buddy. So what we're going to do is pull this beautiful aloe dichotoma in as our thriller. Remember, particularly if you're doing a smaller space like this, think of it as just a giant pot, thriller, filler, spiller, right? So this is going to be our thriller.
And forward some.
A little bit forward. Yeah, because what we want is to set this back in such a way that from this perspective, you can still see all of the smaller things that we're going to be planting in front of it, as well as this beautiful outcropping of boulder. So this feels like a really, really good spot. And why are we digging it in? Just because we want to, and we feel like it will make a better aesthetic. It'll just be better aesthetically. It'll look better.
Elevation. It'll help it to look
Yeah, the look of the elevation, and it just feels more balanced to have it nestled in just a little bit. So we are loving this potted dichotoma in this landscape. So we're already off to the races here, right? So here we have, you know, these 3 boulders came with the installation. They were already in here. And we've got plants in play. We've got fence post cactus, Pilosoceras. This gorgeous creature is a Calisto. Oh, it's a Straussii Grandolph. Cool. Got that. We've got the Holy Grail. We have a Ramosissima, Dichotoma, Ramo combos. Pretty elevated. And then, you know, all of the lower profile plants. Plus all of these lava boulders, which we may use them all, we may not use them all. But remember, guys, first things first. You know, you establish your space. Then think about your elevations. Think about, you know, the movement. In a xeriscape in particular, it's so important to have elevation to lend interest to this, because we're not going to be planting things close together. So we've got to start on our mounding. We will probably enhance this quite a bit, but we also, as I said, wanted Hannah to kind of manipulate these boulders a little bit so we have more real estate with which to plant. We have to think about the microclimates. It's lighter here, it's shadier here. We have to think about the potential of the plants. And, you know, we have a patio cover here, and we've got columnar cacti. So, you know, we're just thinking about how these are going to grow. Being a xeriscape, they won't grow as fast as if they were irrigated. But still, and I'm okay, you know, with letting these plants ride and letting this install ride for 8-10 years. And if we need to move things around at some point, you know, we can do that. So don't hesitate to pull things in and move things around. Even after you've planted something, if you can't live with it or you don't like it, or 6 months passes and it doesn't look good, dig it out and move it. the plants don't care.
We're back on another segment of talking to the crew with Hannah, and today, Nate, I want to ask you what your favorite part of this installation is. Like, what's your favorite part of the garden?
The tapestry is my favorite.
You like the tapestry?
Yeah, it's always pretty.
Hey, Miguel.
Hey!
What's your favorite part of the garden?
My favorite part of the garden is standing from over there, but you could probably see it here. The silhouette on that aloe.
The Bainsy eye?
Yes, it looks amazing against the blue sky. Looks great.
All right, love it. Thank you.
Well, our little xeriscape is complete, and I really had no idea, as ever, exactly how this was going to go down, and I just kind of made it up as I went. I think it's really important from a design perspective not to get too married to an outcome. Just let it tell you. Like, I had Hannah stop special today to grab a bagged 3/4-inch lava rock because I was thinking in my head that I was going to want to ribbon this. But once all of the rubble went in, I realized that that was absolutely not necessary. We don't need to do another thing in here. And when we just had the little lava rubbles, it was still looking kind of monochromatic. This looked like a big lump of garden. And I thought, oh, well, when I bring in the black, that'll do it. But then I remembered we have all this Baja Cresta rubble that we are working with in other areas of the garden. So we brought some of that in, and that's what did it. Did I know that going in? I did not. I didn't have the slightest idea how good that this mix of rubble would be, and how it would be absolutely 100% sufficient to finish off this installation. I'm so obsessed with that pharaoh cactus. Those red needles are so stunning. So that's it for the xeriscape. And now, yeah, while we were busy doing this, the guys have been making mad progress on the monkey hair. Let's check it out. Woo! Very nice. Yeah. Yep, it's really starting to look like something, isn't it? We started with 40 yards of monkey hair, and I don't think we're gonna have enough to finish, probably. Well, maybe we will, I don't know. I mean, I don't work with this that often, so I'm not sure how it's gonna spread. But remember, in this area here to the south of that Baja Cresta ribbon will be rocked. And this is an area where I very well may want to bring in that 3/4-inch black lava and do my ribbons. I don't know. Be fluid. Stay open-minded. Greg has been really busy today too, staging and running wire for his low voltage lighting. Remember that we have 2 more 24-gallon aloe Bainsii trees coming in tomorrow from Sun Valley, as well as some more barrel cactus to kind of finish our barrel vibe. And then, once this middle section is done, we can replace the fencing and we can finish working out this tapestry area in the yard. and really get this thing all dialed in. So it's been a big day. Thanks again so much for following, for your wonderful comments, for sharing the videos, and we did it. We're at 110,000 subscribers. I love each and every one of you. This has been Laura of Design for Serenity with day 8 in Santee. Bye, guys.